Hello, food lovers! Today we're diving into the delicious world of Nepali cuisine to make xoila. Xoila is a beloved Nepali dish, kind of like a spicy chicken salad. Imagine tender, juicy chicken bursting with flavor. That's xoila. It's perfect for any occasion. Nepalis love to eat xoila with rice. It's also great with flatbread called roti. Some people even enjoy it as a snack. This recipe is easy to follow. You'll be making delicious xoila at home in no time. Are you ready to start cooking? Let's go! First, gather all your ingredients. This will make cooking much easier. Chicken. We will need boneless, skinless chicken thighs. You can also use chicken breasts if you prefer. Onion. One large onion will be perfect. We will chop it into small pieces. Tomatoes. 2 juicy tomatoes will add a nice sweetness. Chop these like the onions. Green chilies. These add a nice kick. Use 2 or 3 depending on how spicy you like it. Ginger garlic paste. This magical paste adds so much flavor. You'll need 1 tablespoon. Spices. Spices are key for the perfect xoila. We will use turmeric powder, red chili powder, cumin powder, and coriander powder. Lemon. A fresh lemon adds a bright, citrusy taste. Cilantro. Fresh cilantro is our garnish. It adds a lovely aroma. Oil. We will use vegetable oil for cooking. Salt. Add salt to your liking. Now that we have all our ingredients, we can start cooking our xoila. Let's prepare our chicken. Cut the chicken into small, bite-sized pieces. This will help it cook evenly. Now we marinate the chicken. In a bowl, add the ginger garlic paste, turmeric powder, red chili powder, and salt. Mix it well with the chicken. Let it rest for about 15 to 20 minutes. This allows the flavors to soak into the chicken. While the chicken is marinating, we can chop our onion, tomatoes, and green chilies. Remember, the smaller you chop them, the better they will mix with the chicken. It's time to cook. Heat some oil in a pan. Add the chopped onions and cook until they turn translucent. Then, add the chopped tomatoes and green chilies. Cook for a few minutes until they soften. Now, add the marinated chicken to the pan. Stir it well with the onions, tomatoes, and chilies. Cook the chicken on medium heat. Make sure it cooks evenly. The chicken will release its juices, making everything nice and saucy. Once the chicken is cooked, add the cumin powder and coriander powder. Give it a good stir. Squeeze in the juice of half a lemon. This adds a wonderful tangy flavor. Finally, mix everything well. Your kitchen should be filled with the amazing aroma of xoila. Turn off the heat and garnish with chopped cilantro. Your delicious Nepali xoila is ready. You can enjoy it hot with rice, roti, or as a tasty snack.